lovers. Okay, so for this look, I want to do something a little bit more sultry, a little bit more knowledge, a little bit more skill. I bring everything out, sultry, smoky, and just the skin perfect. This look is not going to take long at all. It is currently 9:32 a.m. Don't clock that. I want to be done with this makeup 10 o'clock because I have somewhere to be at 10:30. For this look, y'all, I want you to put your back into it, okay? Give your all for this glam. It's a special day. Look your best, honey. And it's something to celebrate. Like, your bookie done loved you all year round, done seen you through thick and thin. And maybe the bookie didn't see you without makeup. But it's okay because it's Valentine's Day and we giving our best because we going out somewhere special. So let's get into this look right away. First things first, primer, honey. Old Faithful e.l.f. Power Grip. And y'all know, if you watch any of my videos, I love to use this under my eye and I glop it under there because it really does help you from creasing under the eye, okay? And we're just gonna put it all over the face. It is primer, not moisturizer, so glide it on the skin rather than trying to rub it in. Now for foundation, I'm going in with the Absolute New York Full Cover Liquid Foundation. This stuff is amazing and the price point is even better. I will link this down below and you guys can use my code Kiki 15 for 15% off of anything Absolute New York. So if you see me using anything from Absolute New York here, go ahead and use the code because you will get some coins off. This shade was perfect a few months ago. Your girl kept getting lighter and lighter, and when I got my blood work done, they say my vitamin D is extremely low. So we're gonna fix it with some mixing pigment. This is from LA Girl. These are really inexpensive as well. And fix your foundation to be the color that you desire or that you actually need. I'm gonna place the mixing pigment on the back of my hand. I'm gonna actually take the foundation right on my skin like this. And then I'm going to use my Kaylee Beauty foundation brush, which I will also link below. So all the brushes that I use, I'll link below too. And I'm gonna first blend out. You see how dark this is for me? And in person, it looks even darker because I have all these lights on. But I'm going to use my foundation brush, brush this all out. And then I'm gonna take with a sponge the lighter pigment and just tap on top. Sis, there is nothing more important than your neck and your face matching. So we want a cohesive, we don't want any dark line. I'd rather have my foundation be a tad bit lighter than to be darker. So now let's go in with bronzer. I already know I love a cream for bronzer. This is the Ruby Kisses cream foundation. I think I use this in almost every video, and I'm gonna keep using it until I find something else that I like because somebody new is always watching. I take the lighter shade here because I am going to focus more on the eye. If you want to watch the other video that I just did on Valentine's as well, it was like a really pretty soft glam look, but because all the attention was on the base, I went a little darker with my bronzer. But today the attention is really on the eyes, but I want my base to be perfectly smooth. So I'm just gonna tap on and just look how creamy and buttery the skin looks. It looks expensive. We are doing good. It is now 9:41. We're doing good on time. We got about a little bit less than 20 minutes. I'm not in a rush, but I do want to get a couple things done before I'm out of the door. So I'm just gonna blend this all out. I'm going to take this Ruby Kisses cream blush. I'm going to go in with this shade right here on the side. I'm just going to tap this on. And I love the cream products because, like I said, everything just looks so buttery. And I'm going to kind of bring it up a little bit. And I like to put it on my nose. I think it's just so dainty and pretty. Kiss full cover concealer. Y'all know this is my favorite. I'm gonna go in with some of this in the high points of my face. So right here, right here, right here, Cupid's bow, chin. I never do my forehead, y'all. You can if you want to. If you feel like you want to open up your forehead more, you can. I don't necessarily feel like my forehead is big, but I don't feel like it's small. And I just like, we don't need to do too much to it. But right here is where I'm going to place my concealer. And then I'm going to use my Kaylee Beauty concealer brush to blend that all out. Concealer blended, okay? And now I'm going to actually set everything. And now that I have dusted off that powder, I want to make my blush a little bit more mauve-y. I'm going to take the Ruby Kisses Saranjo, I think it is, and the shade 1. And I'm going to go in with this one right here. Just place that right on top of my blush and bring it to blend with that under eye powder. On my nose again, guys. And the base is done. It is 9:52. We're going to do the eyes. Really pretty. Let's get into it. For eyeshadow, I'm going to take an Old Faithful. This is Juvia's Nubian palette. This is the first eyeshadow palette I had ever owned. This is not, obviously, this is not the one. I got this palette when I was 14 years old and I was so happy. This one is about a year and a half old. She's probably expired, but I don't care. I don't throw away my eyeshadows. From like my personal stuff, I don't throw them away. So I'm going to use, she's a little janky. Don't look at her too hard. But I'm going to go in right here with this shade and the last one. And we are going to create a really sultry look right by the lash line. We're going to kind of wing it out a little bit. Almost to the lid, kind of in the lid area, almost in the crease. We just really want to like have this color be gradient as it goes up the eye. I don't necessarily want like a crease shade. I do want to keep everything really sultry. So we're going to try to keep this as close to the lash line as possible, but I'm bringing up on the lid area and just not adding any extra product, blending that out so that everything is nice and sultry, and I'm kind of wiping it out. Same color on the bottom. And we're going to connect it here and let it kind of go into a wing. With a smaller brush, I'm going to go in with this last shade right here with my detailed brush. And I'm going to tap off any excess and keep it right by the lash line. Same thing on the bottom. I'm now going to take Panther by Bobbi Brown. This is a longwear cream stick. These are waterproof. And I'm going to use this on my waterline. And this is like jet black, honey. All right, it's 10:02, y'all. 10:02. We're a little over, but it's okay because this need to look good. Like I said, I don't need to be done by 10, but we're almost done. And I'm taking that on the top as well. And now trying to keep that panther as close to the lash line as possible, using this brush to really bring it out. Take it and tight line. Now what I do is take this Essence Super Precise Line Wings eyeliner. I love this stuff, y'all. I will link it down below as well. This stuff is like $3. And I'm gonna go right in the inner corner here. Very thin. I'm making the thinnest line possible, y'all, so that it looks like there's liner all the way through, but this is gonna be so thin, as close to the lash line as possible. All right, we added some time. We had to add on some time. My camera battery died and I had to get a new battery. And I kind of, to be even like more sleek, I kind of want to like make it, I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer and actually do that. Like how pretty that looks. Just a little bit of concealer. It's okay that it's wet. And then I'm going to go back in with the bake and just pat that out. Like, look how pretty that is. And then I'll take just some powder where my blush was and just kind of go on to that right there. You can throw on some lashes, but I'm going to do some mascara today. I'm making a bold choice here. This would look beautiful with like a nude, like a nice pretty nude lip, but I'm being bold and this is sultry and sexy, so I'm gonna actually do a red lip. This is the Ruby Kisses matte liquid lipstick. I love these, y'all, and this is in the shade Wildfire. I'm gonna use this as my red lip for today. How pretty. And y'all, I rave about this setting spray all the time. This is like my favorite setting spray, honestly. This is one of my favorite setting sprays, especially when I do like a liquid foundation. This is a Super Fix Super Hold Misting Spray from Revolutions. This is a great dupe to one size. If you want to use one size, you can. You can also double them up, but it just melts everything together so effortlessly. So I'm gonna spray this all over. And fan it out, let it dry down. It's just gonna melt everything together. And this is the final look. How do we feel about her? She's sexy, she's grown, sultry, and it takes a little bit more skill with the shadow, but if you wanted to like omit the shadow, do some black liner and do a red lip. And this red lip is kiss proof, okay? Look at that. You good, okay? You good all night, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you learned something new. And if you do try this look, please tag me in it. Thank you so much for the love, support, comment, like, share this video with a friend, and subscribe. And do not forget, if you don't have a date this year, it's okay, Bookie, because self-love is the most important thing. God bless. See you in the next one. And if you want to check out the soft glam version of this V-Day vibes we have going on my channel right now, go ahead and click the video above.